Hey guys, it's Luna. And welcome to today's video. We are doing an extreme room makeover. I'm really happy to announce that this video is actually sponsored by Pottery Barn Teen. I don't know if you guys have seen my room tour. I'll link it up here. I think I did my room tour about like a year ago, but I actually have lived in this apartment for 2 years now. I decorated my room when I was about like 16. I love it. I love my room. I love the vibe that it has. However, it is very 16-year-old Luna, not so much 18-year-old Luna. You know, there's dream written out on my wall, which just a little bit nursery to me. There's stars everywhere, which I love stars. Like, stars are kind of my aesthetic, but it's a little bit much. Just in general, I feel like my room's very cluttered. Just the feng shui of the room is just not working for me these days. So I love change. I always loved moving my stuff around when I was little, so this is like the dream video for me right now. Basically, how this video is gonna go down, I'm gonna show you my room now, show you what I want to change, show you the new stuff that I have that I'm redecorating with, and just go for it. My mom is definitely going to be helping with this process because she's like an interior design master. Without further ado, don't forget to watch the end of the video to see how you could win a prize. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video. I'm ready for change. Let's do this. Okay, this is how my room looks when you first walk in. Again, the dream has got to go. It's over. The deer head is like over. Also, the baby pink vibes is, I don't know. Maybe has to go, I'm not sure yet. But this balloon has been inflated and hanging there for 2 years. I really have to get rid of it, but I just feel like I can't. It's lived so long. We'll come back to that one. This part of my room is kind of a mess and I don't really like it. I'm over like little knickknacks. I want them gone. The stars, don't want them. The macrame, not my thing. We will fix this situation. This bookcase I don't really have any need for. Letterboards are like over, and I don't really need that bookcase. It just has all my leotards, which I can put somewhere else. So I kind of just want to change this whole situation. First step is to put down a new rug. This is so heavy. Okay, the first thing we're doing differently to my room. Well, number one, we just changed everything. I'll show you. We moved the bed to the middle of the room because I just wanted a little change of scenery. But right now we're laying down a rug. It's a really pretty gray viscose rug. This is also a really pretty light gray color, and my carpet is dark gray, so it'll lighten everything up. The color theme I kind of went with was light gray tones for my new room, which you'll see later, but let's lay this out. So nice. Okay, update. Right now we are hanging up the fairy light canopy. I have always wanted one of these canopies. And this one had fairy lights in it, which is so cute. So we have these mandala headboards, but they're for twin beds. So my idea was to get 2 and then put them side by side, and it'd be like a little bit larger than the bed. But now I'm thinking that I have the fairy light canopy that I can just put 1 mandala headboard like in the middle. So that's what we're trying to see right now, and then we'll figure it out. Okay, this is 1 headboard.
That is excellent.
You sure? It doesn't look kind of weird?
No, I think it's great. No, right?
I don't know. No, that's weird.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. We decided to do 1 headboard. Right now we are looking at pillows that I ordered. We have these 2, they're like velvety gray pillows. I really like them. They go really well with the rug, so I'm using those. And then I got 2 big gray fluffy pillows that I'm not sure if I'm gonna put them on the bed or like on the floor. Okay, I think this is how we decided. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good.
So good.
And then let's put these ones on the floor.
Definitely.
Like a little poof. Next thing we added, which is probably one of my favorite pieces I got, was this lamp. This lamp is so glamorous. The crystals all over. It's beautiful. I don't think I've ever had this nice of a piece in my room, and I'm really excited about it. This is looking so good. Oh my god. Okay, since we last talked, I added this white mirror here, which I love. It just looks so beautiful. Over here, we added this ladder mirror thing. I'm gonna put my makeup in here because I always do my makeup in front of the window. Do it standing up. It's gonna be perfect. Right here in front, I added this jewelry hanger. I've always wanted one of these, and for some reason, I never had it. And all my jewelry is like stuffed in some random bag and tangled everywhere, so I can finally hang up all my earrings like separately. It's gonna be amazing. I have to take a break and do everything else today, but it's almost done. Right now we just nailed the headboard into the wall. We just have some final touches and then we're gonna be done. I'm so excited to show you guys the full room. Okay, next thing, I got this huge white pin board. It's like velvet, so cute. You guys know I love dream boards, so I can just make a huge dream board, maybe like monthly, and just put whatever I want on there. Okay guys, the room is all done. I am so pleased with how this room makeover turned out. Let's just go through it, shall we? So behind me in this little cubby, I kind of replaced my desk. Since I took my desk out, I kind of replaced this area as my desk. So I can just put a stool there and do work there if I want. Normally I'm in my bed anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We added the lamp over there, the crystal lamp, which is so pretty and so perfect for over there. It makes it look like a desk. This part is probably my favorite part of the whole entire room. We have the fairy light canopy, which just adds so much. I can't even tell you. It's like literally a dream. We have the mandala headboard, which is so beautiful. I love the vibe back here. All the pillows are insane. I'm loving the new colors. We have the new standing lamp, which is beautiful. I think that could be one of my favorite pieces in this room. We have the new white mirror right in front of me, which I love. I love having mirrors all over my room. Number one, because I love to look at myself. Can't see that. Because it really opens up the space, which is a known fact. Putting mirrors really opens up and makes the room look bigger. My room literally feels so much bigger. We have the new ladder piece over in the corner, which I did my makeup this morning on it and it was perfect. The pin board, I'm so excited to finally start pinning stuff up and then wake up looking at that, which is gonna be really exciting for me. We just kind of cleared out from the shelves all the knickknacks that weren't necessary. I have a lot of crystals because I love crystals. Oh, a picture of me, a picture of my mom and dad when they were together. And then obviously my favorite piece in the room, my 100K plaque. These ivory flameless candles. I'm half Danish, my mom's from Denmark, and hygge, which is like a term for just making it feel very comfortable. Candles are like the #1 thing you need to produce that feeling. So I got these and I like these because I don't have to worry ever about real flame. Really, really good for dorms too. And the earring rack, you guys, the only bad thing is that now my brother just comes in here and steals my earrings, which is kind of weird. The rug is so crazy. It makes the room look so big. I literally just lied on it all morning. The new gray pillows on the floor kind of produce like a little poof. I think that's everything we added in the room. Oh my god. Best room transformation ever. Thank you, Pottery Barn team, for providing me with the stuff to completely redecorate my room. My room has never looked so glam. Lucky for you guys, I have a little giveaway going on. So if you want to win a $250 Pottery Barn Teen gift card, these are the rules you should follow. You must be subscribed to this channel, the one you're on right now, Luna Montana. You must be following my Instagram, Luna Montana. I'll be linked below. And then third, I want you to comment your favorite new piece that I added in my room. Is it the fairy light canopy? Is it the headboard? And then hopefully you guys can redecorate too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Pottery Barn Teen. You guys are amazing. And I will see you next week in my new environment. Bye.